Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. I have some glossy boxes from the past. I don't get Glossybox anymore, mostly because their customer service is very polite, but they don't really answer your questions. So I used to get the monthly box, and I do think it's a fun box and a great box, although I've noticed lately it's been lacking. But they have an outlet going on, and they had boxes for $10, and then they changed those boxes to $7. They have other boxes. There's $15 boxes. I think there's $20 boxes. There's the egg. The Easter egg is on sale. So I ordered 3 originally, and I got one. The other 2, I'm not sure that I'll ever get. They say if they get it back in stock. Why would you get back in stock some old stuff? So I'm not real sure about that. But so then I ordered 5, and then I got some. I got some of the old and some of the new. I'm not sure what I have. I have 3 boxes in front of me. I actually have 4 boxes that I received in this delivery. So I ordered 8 and I've received now 5 in total. I'm going to show you 3. This one is a special Christmas box. And then these were, I already showed you these boxes in, these are the January. Let me see, I have it down here. It's the January 2022, and I showed you version number 4, and that was my first video I did of this outlet stuff. So it comes in a box like this, unless it is like a special that came in this. These 2 are the January 2022, so they're going to be very similar. I got version 2 and version 4. Version 4 is what I already showed you. I got a second box because I liked it so much. So I'll go quickly through it. This is how it's wrapped. And some of them have a card and some of them don't. But if you remember, this is what's in it. This fabulous Invisibobble that's meant for a bun was really cool. I'll put that video below so you can see what's all in this, because this is exactly the same thing. I just really like the products. And look how chock full that is. So you will see some of these things in future giveaways. And then I got version 2. So let's see what's in there, because you can't tell from the website, at least I can't, what version 2 is. We'll take a quick peek in there. I'm thinking, well, now this one has a brochure with it. So you just never know if the brochure is going to be in there or not on the outlet. When you get this regularly on a monthly basis, you do, well, I think they changed it now. I think they only give you a scanning thing. So I'm not real sure about all that. So, all right, I did get the hydrating wipes, which was in version 4. I'm taking a quick peek, and I don't see anything different in version, no, I don't see anything different in version 2 than I do in version 4. Maybe one of these is a different kind of cream, but they're all the same brands. So we won't spend too much time on that. Like I said, I'll put that video below so you can see it, okay? Let's open this one. This one is Glossybox Christmas Limited version number 3, and this is from 2022. And so this came in a different style box. It's very heavy in comparison to the others. And instead of being a strip here to pull, it's a strip up top to pull. So it may be challenging. I like to get, y'all, I could not get that strip to pull. I had to beat this to get it open, and then look how it opens. It's like this, and then there's the box inside. It says, celebrate the joy of beauty. Let's see what this is about. So these little boxes are fun because the cats like to sit in them, you know, so, but this is really pretty, y'all. Look at how pretty that is. And then it's gonna open like that, okay? And that's what it looks like inside. How pretty. So there is a little card. It says Glossybox Christmas Limited Edition. And see, now this is how they're doing it now, is they have a code where you scan to get your information about what's in the box. So I'm not going to do that. I film with my phone. But look at how beautiful it says. P.S. You are so beautiful, Glossybox. How pretty! What a great presentation. I think this box was originally $35, and I got it for $15. So when I open it and tear the tissue, it looks like this. Now, I don't remember, honestly, I don't remember ordering this one because there were a couple with eyelashes that I thought I didn't order, but they may have replaced it because some of the other boxes that I ordered did not come through. And that's fine. That's fine because what I don't use, I always put in giveaways. This is smashed a little bit. If you can see there, like somebody tried to open it, but it looks more like it's smashed. These are called the Doe brand eyelashes. Cloud 9 is what they are. They're very nice lashes. You can see that, okay? I'll leave them in the package. It does look, it's a little messed up. Okay, I don't have a card, like I said, so we can't know what that's all about. Then there is this Refi Body Glow Illuminator, and it is sealed on both ends. Sometimes you can fool, if it's sealed on top, you can get the bottom and, you know, get it out the bottom, but it's sealed on both ends. So let's see, okay, let's see what it looks like in there. Okay. All right, well, that's what it looks like. Just a nice plain bottle, or tube, I mean. And Body Glow, it's probably sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. So I don't know, maybe it's like a bronzer kind of a thing. I really don't know. It says vegan and cruelty free. For best results, apply the desired amount of serum to the body to leave the skin looking healthy and hydrated. The nonstick formula will set into the skin, leaving a radiant glass-like glow. Okay, so it's for your body. That's cool, something different. I like something different. Now they do have this, oh, this is nice. The brand Vadam tea is a higher price tea. And this is a tin of tea, and you can see it's the leaves. You see that? This is Himalayan green tea. So green tea is very good for you, but you can see the leaves in there. So it's full. This is a nice full tin. And it says use by 2025. So that's good for a long while. And next up is this Give Them Lala Beauty. Not sure what that is. Let's see. It says, I love you. I'm thinking it's a lippy. All right. Cats are going bonkers over here. All right. Oh, that's pretty. Very beautiful color. It's looks more red to me, but on camera it looks more orange. I'm not going to open it, but I love the packaging. It's frosted glass. You know it's not glass. Frosted plastic. Give Them Lala. Then we have this Replendix Discoloration Glycolic Acid 10% Resurfacing Cream. So that sounds like it's for, you know, spots and stuff. So I'll like to try that. That's a nice tube. Now this is a deluxe sample size, you know, but that, well, unless it's a full size, it's possible. But it's a nice size. But usually the Glossybox, well, this is a special Christmas box, I forgot. I don't have the value of this box because I don't remember ordering this. If there were values with the boxes, I try to get them. And then we have two other products in here. Oh, there's something else. Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, there's a little tube of glue to go with this. I'm going to put that in there so I don't lose it. This is just very nicely wrapped. Oh, this is interesting stuff. Okay, we've got Authentic Beauty Concept Hydrating Mask for Dry Hair. This is full size, definitely. So this, let's see. Oh, it smells good. It's a nice thick cream, if you can see it. I'm surprised it doesn't have a seal, but it's nice and thick looking. It smells very gentle and very nice. It'll make your hair smell really good. Something like this, I do use some conditioners and things, but something like this might be too heavy for my hair. But it's a nice thing to put in a giveaway. And then the last product in here is Style Dry. Now this is interesting. Style Dry. This is a dry shampoo compact, it says. Ready for a world's first. How about the easy to use vegan dry shampoo powder in a compact form? Well, heck, let's look at this. Everything, I can't open anything without breaking packages, y'all. I'm trying. Okay, this is new by me, y'all, really. Okay, so it says on here, Orange Blossom. Now, maybe that's a scent that it is. Style Dry Original Dry Shampoo Compact Powder. There's, you can see a little bit of the, you know, it's a wet look on a flat background. You can see that. And then here's what it says there. Let's open it and see what it looks like, if I can figure out how to open it. Okay. Okay, when you open it, there's a nice mirror. And then, oh, okay, let me show. This is like a cake. So I would imagine you can replace this because it's loose in there. You see how that is? And then you lift that up. Well, it was just lifting just fine a moment ago. All right, hang on, here we go. There's these little tabs. You lift the tabs up, and there is this brush. So that is wild. Now, I don't know. I use spray dry shampoo. I've never used anything like this. I'm very curious. Okay, so there's some on the brush. Like if my hair looks terrible all of a sudden. I don't know. How would you do that? And I suppose you would put it on and then maybe run it through your hair. That's what I do when I spray anyway. I run it through my hair. You know, I have, that white is my hair. It's not from this stuff. Interesting, interesting. So y'all, very different. We got that. We got the hair conditioner. We got this Replenix brand. I'm interested in that one. We got the really nice big size T. We got the beautiful lippy. And we got this body glow. Is that it? I think that's what we got. Oh, and the lashes that I'm putting the glue in right immediately because I'm afraid I'm gonna lose the glue. So I'm gonna put it right in here in case anybody, I put this in a giveaway and there it is, okay? So that's that, y'all. So thanks for stopping by and seeing this crazy Glossybox stuff. You know, I'll just tell you, it's very difficult to communicate with them. It's easy. You go on your account and you talk to them and they answer you back with all this lovey-dovey stuff. They don't answer your questions ever. So whatever you order, especially in the outlet, just know if you don't get it, it means they didn't have it. And if you don't want to, if they get it in a month or two, I don't know. They'll send it to you. They only bill you as they send it. So it's not like you order 3 things, they bill you all at one time. No, they bill you as you send it out, as they send it out. So let them know if you want to cancel what's taking longer because you may eventually get it and get charged. So if you're, you know, might be, I don't know, a couple months down the road. How do I know? I've gotten 5 out of the 8 that I've ordered. So I'm just going to let mine ride. I don't care when it comes because they were cheap. And look at all the stuff I got, y'all. This one, I'll tell you, I was saying these boxes are 7. Being that this is a Christmas box, it was 10 or 15 probably. I don't remember now because I don't remember honestly getting this one. Because when I saw the lashes in the different boxes, I chose not to get those. But when it comes to versions, you can't always choose. You don't know what's in there. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.